There's one meditation that is especially strong for groundedness and also personal power. And it is a little bit of a harder meditation, depending on where you are at the time. And I mean more environmentally, like situationally as well. Um, and that is to say, like, you should have a quiet place to do it. And if you have a quiet place, a peaceful place that you can do this, you can get pretty deep with this meditation. Um, but if you don't, then it might be a bit harder. Now, we're going to have meditations in the future of this program that teach you how to find your groundedness within like an environment that is chaotic. But this one in particular is just for deepness, so learning how to go deep. And typically learning the skill to go deep is going to help you within situations where you're around other people and want to feel grounded. So essentially what we are going to be doing with this meditation is we're going to find our center. Now, in old Hermetic texts, they believed that the center of the human, the center of our spirits, and concentrating on the center of our being is essentially finding God. You know, they believe that finding that center of your whole being, that one little point of that could be your essence, is essentially the spirit of God. So in that same way, we are going to find our center. We're going to really narrow our consciousness in a way to be focused on that center, and that peace and that serenity that goes within that is what God is. And I think it's a very important meditation to do, or to learn how to do, so that you can have that connection with your inner being. So there's not going to be as much talking within this meditation. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to focus at the root of your spine at first, feeling your connection to the earth. And then you're going to breathe deeply, keep your body completely still, and you're going to focus just on around your midsection, inside your being, and bring yourself within that area. Now, I will talk a little bit, not a lot, just to help you get deeper. So let's begin. So allow yourself to get completely still and to just breathe deeply at this point. Focus on the root of your spine and do this for a little bit. Try your best to clear your mind and to be as completely still as possible. once you have reached a place of stillness, of calmness, and of mental clarity, focus your attention on the area around your belly button, but internal. I want you to just focus completely on that area. Every breath you take, focus the energy there. Every breath out, focus the energy out of there. Imagine that your consciousness, what you're seeing, is from the vantage of that place. Imagine seeing within. You may start to see color or images. Allow them to be. You'll find with this meditation that you'll feel completely still and have like a singularity of thought eventually that is very powerful. And that singularity of thought is very powerful for the reason that you are aligning your whole being with peace and serenity and with your core higher being. And doing this meditation enough is going to help you stay grounded in any situation. It's going to help you know how to go deeper when you want to or when you need to, or how to go within when you want to or need to. Very helpful for staying calm, staying non-reactive. This meditation is very beneficial for that because you are securing yourself within yourself like a rock, and you're really becoming your true inner self in these moments. So nothing can bother you. Anything on the external world ceases to exist. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this meditation. And if you did, please check out my other services and sales and different things that I have going on that can teach you how to really deal with trauma and help you deal with different areas of your life that you are going through. It also, you can find my store on there, So if you're interested in going deeper within meditation, within healing, and within growing, just click my link below and you'll find everything that I offer there. And if not, I'll see you tomorrow for our next meditation. I'll see you then.